Okay, go for it.
Get the hook. Which one's the best?
Oh, come on.
I don't know. I think they're all little ones.
Ooh, very nice. Ooh.
Put barbs on that.
This thing may have already been destroyed, but the damage that we're doing is ungodly. Seriously, this is awesome. Ooh!
You know what you want to do? I think to make this even more effective, when it pulls up, I think what you should do is have another board go across, so you have your barbs, right? And it's stuck to pull it up. And then
alright, show me the car now.
It off the barbs, then they come down and destroy it more.
Well, we do have the side one coming in.
Oh,
It won't really crush, but it'll trap.
Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, I don't think an investigation of the car wreckage is needed.
There's Teflon tape at the gun.
Freaking awesome.
Once we fix this lead.
There goes the battery pack.
And once we have like the screws on there, it'll keep bringing it back up with it. That'll be so sick.
Ooh.
Oh my god, it's falling apart.
Wait a minute, watch out for his hand. I don't want his thumb to look like the car.
Oh!
Pretty much how they're all gonna look. We're just gonna have a
Oh.
So let's get the circuit board in there.
Ooh. Oh, wow, went right through it.
Yeah.
Oh,
well, they're not exactly that
God. Look at the circuit board, it's a mess.
Alright, we've proven that it's effective.
Without any follow me. Alright, I think it's time to tear down.
Alright.
You know, the air costs $1 a gallon, so.
Alright, enough of the destroying. Let me get a review of the wreckage.
Here, get this toothpick. Toothpick? Just destroy a toothpick.
Oh my god!
That was a good one.
Yeah, that was.
Fun. That toothpick?
Okay. Official results. Pneumatic versus car. Completely and utterly destroyed.
Ever. Can you get it to stand up?
Oh god.
Put it in this one. Yeah, it's like, oh yeah. Alright.
Why don't you just put it through the tire that broke off? Alright.